How much does Invideo cost? This is Matt, and we are going to go into Invideo pricing in this video. That's a lot of mentions of video in that sentence, but the pricing can be a little bit complicated. They've got a few different plans and stuff, so I'm going to go through it in detail in this video. First things first, if you want a special offer, I do have an affiliate link in the video description just below this video. Depending on what kind of offers Invideo have got at the time, you'll get some kind of special offer or benefit by clicking my link. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself at a page like this or very similar to this, depending on how Invideo change their pages over time. So left to right, they've got these 4 different plans. So they've got Plus at $17 per month, they've got Max at $85 per month, Generative at $170 per month, and Elite, which they describe for power creators, that one's charged at $900 per month. So what this is right here is this is annual billing, so you can turn that off. So the thing with annual billing, full disclosure, is that obviously you're paying for the annual amount all in one go, so you're paying for all of the months all in one go, and they're pretty transparent with this. They actually say it's billed at $200 per month, per year, $1,000 per year, $2,000 per year, etc. So they're pretty transparent there. If you just want to pay month to month, you can flick this off just by hitting that little toggle there, and you see that the prices do increase. So on the monthly plan, you don't have to pay up front for the year for the per annum price, but you are paying more each individual month, if that makes sense. So the better savings there, you got 15% savings on these and 10% on the higher price plan there for annual. So what's included? It's mainly about credits. So Plus entitles you to 75 credits per month. Max is at 390 credits per month, 800 credits per month for Generative, which they describe as the best value. They actually describe Max as the most popular. That's from Invideo themselves. And then with the big plan, the Elite plan, you get 4,250 credits per month. You can actually hit this drop down and you can ask for more. So you can see how that changes. So you've got this option on all of these different plans. Sorry, not those first 2 plans as that's built in, but on the Generative and the Elite, you can actually choose to level those up. And yeah, so you can do that. So you've got here, most of this is more or less the same, apart from the AI avatars. You can read this through yourself. Storage is different. So here you've got 20 gig of storage, 100 gig, 2 terabytes with Generative and 10 terabytes with Elite, which is pretty huge. It's bigger than my hard drive on my Mac Studio anyway. So we've got AI avatars as well to discuss. So with the entry-level plan here, Plus, you get 4 AI avatars. You get 16 with Max, 40 with Generative, and 200 with Elite. But you see that as these plans scale up, you just have more benefits. So you've got limited concurrency, you've got 2x concurrency here, and so on and so forth. Also, iStock, you get more benefits. So essentially all these plans, as they scale up, you get more benefits. And like I say, you can move these credits up for Nano Banana as well. That just instantly changes that around. I don't know why they've got that there as well. But there you go. So you can go for any of these options right here once you've clicked my link. You can scroll down. We've got pricing and credits, frequently asked questions, if you want some more information there, as well as the facts, frequently asked questions at the bottom. Team and Enterprise, so that was individual plans. I haven't gone through Team and Enterprise. They've also got a team plan where you're essentially paying for seats on the plan, which a lot of SaaS products do. You can read this through right here. There's a standard seat at $40 per month, premium seat at $400 per month. So that's a team plan. Enterprise is their kind of custom one. If you're a larger company, a larger entrepreneur, this might be for you. You can book a demo and contact them individually. But for most people, you will be going for one of these individual plans right here. So yeah, so click my link, check this out, see what offers are currently on, and give Invideo a go. There is a free plan as well. You do get the watermark and stuff on there, but you can instantly sign up for a free plan and start checking it out and see if it is the right platform for you. If it is, you can get one of these pay plans, as we've discussed here. If it's not, absolutely fine. You don't have to do that. It's all cool. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like you.